Before the Lok Sabha elections, the highly anticipated Socio-Economic and Education Survey report, commonly referred to as the caste census, was delivered to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah by K. Jayaprakash Hegde, the chairman of the Karnataka State Commission for Backward Classes, on February 29th. This report holds significant importance as it would provide insights into the various castes across Karnataka. Its release ahead of the elections potentially challenged the influence of powerful voting blocs. Leaders representing the dominant communities, Lingayat and Vokkaliga, from both ruling and opposition parties are dismissing the report as unscientific. BJP MLA Basangowda Patil Yatnal has criticized the survey and called it unscientific. He even stated that Congress government should conduct it again.
हमारा जो निर्णय है फिर एक बार सर्वे करना का, ये साइंटिफिकली सर्वे नहीं हुआ है, ये सैंपल सर्वे हुआ है। इससे कई लिंगायत वक्कलिगा बहुत कम्युनिटी को इससे बहुत बड़ा धक्का पहुंचने वाला है। हम विरोध करेंगे, हम कांग्रेस सरकार को हमने मांग करेंगे फिर एक बार कर्नाटक में पूरे गांव-गांव में घर-घर को जाके सर्वे करो, कोई सर्वे आने दीजिए, हम उसको मानने के लिए हम तैयार हैं।
Meanwhile, Karnataka's Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil has refrained from making specific comments on the report, stating that the government's decision would determine its fate.
Today, in the cabinet meeting, the Backward Class Commission may submit its report. After once the report is submitted, we'll discuss and we'll decide what to be done.
Sir, even before the submission, there were several allegations that scientifically this report was not being done. Even your MLAs, your ministers said that need to be done in proper way. This report is pre-cooked, half-cooked, which are being submitted.
I have no comments to make either on the report or on the comments made by our colleagues.
In 2015, during the tenure of Siddaramaiah-led Congress government, the caste census was initiated in the state, costing approximately 170 crore rupees. The Karnataka State Commission for Backward Classes, under the leadership of H. Kantaraju at that time, was responsible for compiling the Socio-Economic and Education Survey report. Although the survey was concluded in 2018, towards the end of Siddaramaiah's first term as Chief Minister, the report was neither accepted nor made public. Under the current leadership of Chairman Jayaprakash Hegde, the Commission was scheduled to submit the report in November of the previous year. However, due to requested additional time, the government extended the deadline for submission. This report can be a game changer ahead of the elections. It may challenge both the opposition BJP and the Congress government as well, with Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar being from the Vokkaliga community and having a strong voter base. Similarly, the Lingayat community, headed by veteran Congress leader and MLA Shamanuru Shivashankarappa, might also be affected.
During Mr. Kantaraj, when he was chairman, then Mr. Siddaramaiah was the Chief Minister. He gave the order to conduct the survey, and under the leadership of every district DCs, Deputy Commissioners, it was conducted, survey was conducted. All revenue department officials and teachers, they did it. What we have seen is it's done in a scientific way. 54 questionnaires, I can give you the questionnaires. On the basis of that, we were asked to prepare the report. We have prepared the report and we are submitting it today. 5 crore 90 lakhs population, 1 crore 3 lakhs families. Almost, I think what I have heard is it was not done scientifically, but as we have seen, it is conducted in a scientific manner. All the details are there. Yeah, it is in the safe custody of Bharat Electronics. Nobody can touch it.
What is your opinion about the report? Should the Karnataka government accept it or reject it? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.